how to fix Instagram chat theme option not showing in less than 1 minute. All what you have to do, guys, is very simple. First thing, you have to open the settings and then go to the apps manager like this. After that, you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. After that, scroll all the way until you find the Instagram app and click on it. When you click on it, it will take you into this page, or what you want to do here is click on this force stop. After you click on the force stop option, now you have to open the storage and then click on clear data to clear all the data in the app and click on clear cache. After that, go back, open the Play Store and update your Instagram right there. Very easy and simple. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.